Hi. I have so many times, as soon as that camera stops, I have said, oh yeah, I want to say that. Oh, I wanted to say that. So today, I'm doing nothing but tips and tricks. And we might have A, B, C, D, whatever, but I want to show them to you because I don't think anybody else does. You know, when I had my cancer, and whether you have lupus or immune disease, you name it, and they say, oh yeah, we're going to do chemotherapy and radiation, and here's the meds for that. Oh, and by the way, you'll probably lose your hair. I went, duh. They gave me books on chemotherapy. They gave me books on radiation. They gave me books on the side effects of the medicines. Nobody gave me a book on what to do about my hair, how to get through it, what to do about it. So today I'm going to do a few little tips and tricks that you can do in your home, in the privacy of your bathroom, that will help you in your wig wearing. I should probably write a book or do a video or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what your comments are. Maybe you know you're going to tell me, go back to the closet, Patti. So here we go. The first one I'm going to talk to you about. Let me get behind my little counter. The first one I'm going to talk to you about, I've talked about it just a little bit, but I really want you to see it. It's called my Windex Baby. I have this Windex not only in my kitchen and my cleaning area, but I have it in my bathroom where I do my wigs. And I'll tell you why. Everybody, almost, so many wigs have the smart lace. And I've showed you how to do a dryer towel to make it soft. But what I want to show you today is how to get the makeup off. Now, can you see this? This side is kind of light over here because I don't do a lot of makeup here. But right in the middle, I do my makeup. Then what do? We put the wig on. And then we press it for the count of 30 and push it in hard and hold it. So here's what you end up with. You end up with, I put a white card there so you can see, you end up with your makeup on the smart lace, and then you put it on again, it's starting to look ratty. The wig looks great, smart lace looks ratty. So if it's stiff, if it itches you, take a dryer towel from your laundry room and rub it on the inside and rub it on the outside. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to spritz this with Windex. And what's going to happen is you're going to see it get clean. Let me see. See how I'm spraying that with the Windex? It's nice and wet, see? Now I'm going to take a towel, a paper towel. I hope you can see this. If I have to do it over, doing it real close, I will. Let's see. Can you see the makeup already? Go again. Okay. I kind of hold it like that, and I really get in there and clean that up. And it even cleans the little hairs below. Now I lift up the smart lace. See how I'm lifting it up? And I grab it on both sides with the towel, because you've got makeup on the top and you've got makeup underneath. And I'm just squeezing and rubbing here to get this out. Now, look at all the dirt on the paper towel. And I'm going to show you. See how clean it is here? If you have to do it a couple of times because you haven't done it maybe for 3 weeks and there's a lot of makeup on it, go ahead and do that. And then all of a sudden, you have a smart lace that looks wonderful again. That's an easy, breezy way. Even if you, oh yeah, come here, girl. Even if you get it still right here at the edges, Like right here, just spritz it. Kind of rub it. Because it's still on the edges just a little. Now, you've got it rubbed. Now all you're going to do is blot it, blot it, blot it, blot it, blot it. Wow, it's clean again. I love this little trick because before you had to say, oh my gosh, I gotta wash the whole wig, I don't have time, blah, blah, blah. So we're gonna move on. That's your Windex little trick. Now, every girl who hears me today and cares to listen, I want you to have your little bottle of Windex, and I want you to have your dry shampoo. You can get it at any beauty supply. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Target. This particular one is Extraordinary Clay by L'Oreal, and it's clear. I don't get any color. It's clear. What can you do for this? Well, the first thing you can do, I've been wearing this wig for a long time, so it would get dirty. And I hope I can show you how dirty it is. Can you see that? It's really, really dirty. And I tell you where it gets that dirtiness, because I do this all the time. And I'm bringing in my little pixie, or I'll do it back, doing this. And the makeup that I already have on gets on the sides, especially the temples right in this area. Can you see that? What we're going to do is we're going to isolate it like that. And I'm going to shake my little dry shampoo. Swear by this, guys. Swear by it. And I'm going to go, see how I'm getting it all wet? You can see the little white on the inside of the wig. Now, first I'm going to blot it and get the makeup off. Like that. Then I'm going to take a little comb and just comb it like that. Get that dry shampoo out. Can you see it? I hope you can. Then, all of a sudden, you've got clean hair. I'll show you the difference. Here's the other side. See right in here how I've got the rouge and the powder and everything. Go figure. Then you go over this side. It's clean, guys. I love this kind of stuff. Okay, the next one is going to be if you get a brand new wig and it's too shiny for you and you want to wear it that night, you don't want to shampoo it 10 times, blah, blah, blah. Dry shampoo. All kinds of people make them. I like L'Oreal. And what you do, hold it about 10 inches, spray it, spray it. Now, you take a really good brush, and brush. Your shine is gone. You can do that even a couple of times. And you can see how over here it's real shiny, but right in here where I brushed it and put it on, it's not. Super little hints. I love it, I love it, I love it. When I lost my hair, of course, during the main throes of it all, I lost all my hair. But the big thing is, and I've seen it over and over and over again in my salon, you can't grow anything on the top, but then all of a sudden, you get these little bitty hairs. Now, I've let mine grow because I want you to see what that looks like. No hair on top, and especially if these are gray, oh lordy, they get a little, I don't know, messy. And what they do, it's a little bitty thing, and the thing of it is, well, it isn't little bitty, it's big to me. You don't see it. You don't see it. And finally my sister said, and I'm looking in the mirror, because see how this is sticking out? As you're going during the day, I brush that up, of course, but then the wig moves and everything moves, and all of a sudden, you've got your wig sticking out because this little wiry hair is sticking out your wig. Can you see that, guys? Well, I want to show you what to do about it. As I say, I've let this grow for just a little bit. It's the only place I can grow it. And I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. All right, let's show. Bang, 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 bang. I put a little cape on. I got my clippers, and I've got them flat. I don't have them out a fourth or whatever. I want that sucker flat. Now, I do this in the bathroom, and I kind of look in my hand mirror and so forth. But I'm going to show it to you because close up and let you see. Now, let me tell you. See, there's a lot there. Let me tell you, the truth of it is, am I going to go down to Nordstrom's with like this? No. Am I going to go to my sister's house like this? Probably not. Am I going to go anywhere except my sweet little area here? Probably not. So it's more important to me to have this hair gone than it is to have it on when I don't have a wig on. Okay, now look, I go right like that. Do it gently, you know, we're not killing something here. We're just gently doing it. See all the hair, guys? Now, another place that I like to do it is in the front, right here on the sides. I'll show you. Now, I do use a mirror for this. I let all this grow. Now, here's the side with it. Here's the side with it, with it shaved. All right? And there you go, guys. I know it's a silly little trick. Look at all that hair. But let me put my little start on again and I'll show you. See the difference? See how it lays? I do that maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. Have a great day.